Before any of this AI tooling could matter, we needed a place to send people. And the website we had was a problem. It was on Shopify. We were paying for a platform built to sell products, to host a service business. The theme was generic, the copy was whatever the previous owner left, and every time we wanted to change something, we were fighting the Shopify editor. So we rebuilt it from scratch. No template service, no monthly fee, just code deployed to Cloudflare pages. Here's how that worked. We used a static site generator, plain HTML, CSS, and a build step that spits out files. Cloudflare pages host them on their global edge network. The whole thing costs nothing per month. No server to maintain, no platform to fight. AI was in the build from the start. The copy on every page was written with AI, edited to match the actual voice of the business. Not generic service copy, specific language about what we actually do, who we do it for, and why. The SEO structure was built with AI, header hierarchy, meta descriptions, schema markup for a local service business. The booking form connects to our scheduling system. When someone fills it out, it hits an API that checks live availability and confirms back. No phone tag, no callback required. We also built a chatbot into the site. Fred, he's always there. He knows the service area, knows the equipment we work on, and can answer the questions that used to go to voicemail at 9 p.m. End to end, the whole migration took about 2 days. Most of that was content. The deploy itself took minutes. The site we're running now is faster, cheaper, and we control everything. No Shopify, no ongoing platform cost, no calling support when something breaks. It's a tool we built, which means we can also fix it. That's day 26. Tomorrow we'll pull back and show you what the whole system looks like from above, the dashboard that ties it all together.